tell me. What is my crime? What's my crime? What's my crime? What's my crime?
Yeah, I'm getting it.
Get out now. What's my crime? Get out. What's my crime? You're gonna get tased. Get out now. What's my crime? What's my crime? You. I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting. What's my crime? What's my crime? What's my crime? What's my crime? What's my crime?
Hi, I'm Officer Stanley, Cocoa Beach Police Department.
Hi.
Hey, the reason for the stop is I had reasonable suspicion your passenger might not be seat belted in. So that was the reason for the stop, okay?
Okay.
Do you have a driver's license for me?
I do. It's in the back seat in my purse. That's
Okay, no, you can just stay here. Are you the registered owner of the vehicle?
I am not.
What's he reaching for?
Nothing on my purse.
Okay, I wanted to make sure.
This is,
Okay.
He's the registered owner of the vehicle. He has not slept in probably at least 24 hours.
Okay, I understand that, ma'am. You just have to understand I can't see through your tinted windows, okay?
Yeah, it's the
And so when he reached aggressively like that, I was concerned for your safety and mine, okay?
Yeah.
You say he's not slept. Is that why he was unseatbelted?
He's wearing a seatbelt, just not a shirt.
Okay, but he was hanging out the window with no shoulder restraint on. So he probably put the seatbelt on when we pulled up.
I think he's had it on. He probably, I don't know, he might have been underneath it.
Yeah.
I was just trying to pay attention.
I understand. You're trying to be safe, and I get that. I understand that. Okay. Is he 18 years old?
He's over 18.
Over 18. I just have to ask, because that the statute depends who the ticket goes to. You understand what I mean?
Yes.
Okay. So, if that was the route we go, I'm not saying that's the way I'm going. Okay. Okay. But Miss, you're the registered owner, okay?
He's the registered
Oh, he is. Okay, that's what I was trying to get at. All right, sit tight. Let me just check this out, okay? And I'll be right back with you. Stay in the car! Stay in the car! Stay in the car!
Okay, I will.
I won't ask you twice.
I'm in the car. I'm in the car. What are you talking about?
42, keep an eye on the passenger. Possible signal 20.
10-4. He's the one we're looking for this morning.
I'm in the car.
Hey, sir, how you doing?
He just tried to get out of the car and I commanded him to stay, that's all.
Melissa, right?
Yeah.
I can't. Hang on one second. What was that? I'm sorry.
It's okay. No, he wants to record it. I was just volunteering at Matthew's Cocoa.
I was on the phone with you earlier.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm the one who called to make sure that you were okay.
Yeah, I'm driving because he hasn't slept in a while.
Like 24 hours.
At least.
And I do not need to be behind the wheel. I can't.
Okay. So, Melissa,
If I want to be, I can.
I'm going to have you step out of the vehicle because I need to speak with you, okay?
Okay.
I can get in the front seat.
I was just volunteering.
You can stay where you are, sir.
In the front seat, in my own car, in my own church. This is actually a church.
No.
This is a church.
27, you're going to want
Just
to
so
go
you
over
know,
here.
this is a church.
Okay.
This car is a church.
Okay. But I need to speak with
It's a
her.
non-profit church.
And I need you to stay in the car, okay?
Well,
Thank you, sir.
driver's seat, okay?
Go ahead.
Melissa, can you come over here?
It's your feet.
He just jumped in the driver's seat.
Okay.
It's all right.
Melissa, seriously, are you okay?
I am okay. He is having probably another manic episode.
Step out of the vehicle for me, please, sir. Turn the vehicle off before you do so.
And he's locking himself in the vehicle.
This escalates when he feels threatened or he gets upset. That's why I was just trying to get him home.
I need you to step out of the vehicle.
What's my crime?
I need you to step out of the vehicle, sir.
What's my crime?
Sir, I'm
What's my crime?
I'm
What's my crime?
I'm Officer
What's my crime?
Stanley. I need you to. Hey, get the window breaker.
Where you got it at?
Let me here. You want to just keep an eye so he doesn't run us over.
On 27, we're probably about to break the window. Sean, open the door now.
We're gonna try to talk him out of the car.
He's very escalating.
I understand.
What's my crime?
Resisting.
I'm not resisting.
Yet, then open the door now.
No, I'm not.
If we have to break this window, you're going to jail. Get out of the car now.
Sir,
I'm going to jail.
is there...
I have not.
Sir, you are now resisting a law enforcement officer.
I've not broken a law.
Is there anything I can say that would get you to get out of this car?
What is my crime?
Is there anything I can say that would get you to get out of this car, sir? Will you just punch it?
Yep.
I'm going to break the window in 6 seconds. 5, 4... He won't get out. We've given him lawful multiple orders.
This is the Signal 20 guy from earlier. From down on South 2nd that we did a well-being check on her and him.
He was the passenger. The lawful stop was for seatbelt on the passenger. When she got out to speak with this officer, he jumped in the the driver's seat.
Resisting.
He's already had to be told to get back in the car. I'm afraid he's either going to drive off or drive over us. That was the reason for getting him out of the car. He is resisting that lawful order. That makes me feel a little better.
Yeah, well, the problem is he needs to get out of the car.
Out of the car.
Do you think she could talk him out, Bets, or would it be too dangerous?
Sean, open the door. Sarge, what are we doing?
Yeah, we're keeping an eye.
I don't know if you want to pop it on that side to unlock the door.
Good call. Since that way he's sitting there. See if that back door's open just for grins.
No, it's locked.
Okay.
So pop it and unlock that door with the master. Do not reach for anything in that car. You will get shot.
Do you think she can talk him out?
I just don't want her to get hurt.
No, he's reaching for things in the car. Pop the window, unlock it, and I'm dragging him out.
Tell me, what is my crime? What's my crime? What's my crime? What's my crime?
Yeah, I'm getting it.
What's my crime?
Get out now.
What's my crime?
Get out.
What's my crime?
You're gonna get
What's my
tased.
crime?
Get out
What's
now.
my crime? What's my crime? You. I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting. What's my crime? 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 What's my crime?
Let
What's
go
my
of my
crime?
ankle.
What's my crime? What's my crime? What's
Turn over on your stomach.
my crime? What's 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 my crime? Turn over. What's my crime? What's my crime? What's my crime? Go ahead and chase me again.
Roll over on your stomach
What's my
now.
crime? What's
Come
my
this way,
crime?
Bets. We'll go this way.
What is my crime?
Ready?
Hey,
3, 2, 1.
Melissa, tape this. Fuck you. Fuck you. Why? Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this to me? Why? Why are you doing this to me?
Turn over now.
Go ahead and tase me again.
Stop.
Go ahead and tase
Roll
me.
over on your stomach.
Go ahead and
Roll over.
Go ahead. Go ahead and f***ing tase me again, bitch. Go ahead. Yeah, use excessive force. Excessive force. Is that on? Is that on?
Get over!
Is that on? Go ahead and mace me. I don't care. What? Go ahead. F*** you guys. F*** you. What's my crime? What is my crime? Why do you think you can do this to me? Answer me.
Switch sides.
I have mace in my fucking eyes. And I still have my vape in my hand.
Put your arms behind your back.
There you go. There's one.
Anyway, I got it.
Hang on.
You got your cups?
Hang
the left one.
Hang on.
Got
There you go. There you go. I'm not resisting. What's my crime? What's my crime? What's my crime? Where are my Miranda rights?
Sit up on your butt.
No.
Roll over on your butt.
No.
My car's right
What
here.
is my crime?
Come on.
What is my crime?
Let me see.
I can't see anything.
Get in the car.
I can't see, bro.
We're gonna get some water in just a second.
Yeah, right. You don't care about me.
All right, get in. Sit,
All you care about is your feelings.
sit in the car.
Get in the car.
I can't see.
Okay, well, sit in the car.
Sit down.
And we'll get you wiped down.
Sit down.
SUV.
Yes.
Okay, bro. What the fuck?
Oh, fuck. Oh, don't open your eyes. Oh, don't open your eyes. You!
16 Cocoa Beach, white male, 1015.
What happened with this guy?
He wouldn't get out. We had to pop the window and drag him out, and he started kicking me. And
Yeah, he kicked him a few times.
Okay.
now it's battery on the law enforcement officer.
The ticket was gonna go to him, not her, so she's free to go.
Water! Oh, fuck. Water! Oh, fuck.
Let's get, does anybody got a bottle of water? We can get water on his face.
Well, let me check.
Water!
Water, right? We're gonna get you rinsed off here real quick, okay? But you gotta, if we open the
What
door.
is my crime?
Listen, we'll tell you, but if we open the door, you're gonna cooperate, right?
Yeah.
Because we gotta
Yeah.
get you rinsed out.
Yeah, I'll f***ing cooperate. What?
Hey, here.
I was gonna say, do you have something to poke a hole in it?
Yeah, here, don't squeeze it or else it's gonna go everywhere.
I've just drank all mine, so.
Water!
It's coming.
It's
All
coming.
right, and just squeeze it like a spray bottle.
Lean your head out, and I'm gonna. Water. Little by little, all
Just
right?
let it soak.
You gotta have to look at your eyes.
No, I'll get him med clear before we go.
Yeah, he like crushed my f***ing balls. No, he grabbed them and squeezed on them.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Spray, okay.
yeah. I'm good.
Keep blinking. It's not gonna get better. You gotta keep blinking.
All right, we're about to get you med cleared, and we'll get that. We'll get the doctors will get the rest out.
Yeah. All right.
All right, sit back in there.
No.
You got any more in there? Yeah, let me in case.
Please, please, more water. More water, please.
I'm gonna tow this car. She's not the registered owner, and it's got a broken window now.
You want me to take care of it?
Yeah. Do you mind? Yeah. So, ma'am, you were the driver.
Yes.
You were not in violation of the law. Your passenger was. He's adult, so you're free to go. I need to tell you that just so you know. You're welcome to stand and talk to our bosses as long as you want. I just legally wanted you to know you are free to go.
And then we gotta take some pictures of the car.
Well, yeah, Tow's coming to get it.
Toes coming to get it.
Yeah, because we're not going to let her drive with a broken window. It's your call, boss. I mean, you want some more? I'll get it. All right, ready?
And the mouth, please.
All right, let's go. We're going to the hospital, okay?
Yeah.
I'm going to go right away.
Ready for there?
Yeah, I'm going to bring him to the back door. All right, Sean, let's go get your eyes washed out, man. Let's go, brother. Step your feet out first.
Okay.
I won't let go. Now sit down. You feel the chair? Yeah. Go ahead and sit down there, bud. Now lean back.
After being treated and medically cleared, officers bring the suspect back to the squad to transport him to jail.
Well, I'm going to search him a little more properly.
You want me to take off my pants?
No, I don't want that.
You take off your pants.
That is not what I'm suggesting, brother, man. Watch your feet. Stand right here. Good. I think we're good. Watch your head. Watch your head. Watch your head.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
All right.
And when a cop pulls someone over, one of the few